Is your Instagram bio a wall of text that's hard to read? Let's transform that mess into a beautifully formatted bio with easy-to-read line breaks. I'll show you how in just a few simple steps. First, unlock your phone and tap the Instagram app icon to open the app. Once Instagram is open, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile picture to go to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, locate and tap the Edit Profile button, usually found near the top of the screen, right below your bio. You should now see the Edit Profile screen. Find the Bio section. This is where you'll make your changes. Before you start typing directly into Instagram, I recommend using a Notes app on your phone, like Notes for iPhone or Google Keep for Android. Type your bio here, pressing the Return or Enter key to create your desired line breaks. Make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. Select all the text you've written and copy it to your clipboard. Return to the Instagram app and paste your formatted text into the bio field. Tap the checkmark or Done button, usually in the top right corner, to save your changes. And there you have it, a clean, visually appealing Instagram bio that's easy for your followers to read. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.